Most Windows users don't know this free Microsoft tool exists. It lets you resize dozens of images with just a few clicks. Here's how to set it up and start using it today. Before we can resize images, we need to install Microsoft PowerToys. Open your web browser and search for Microsoft PowerToys, or visit the official Microsoft PowerToys website. Download the latest version and run the installer. Follow the installation steps and wait for the setup to complete. Once installed, launch PowerToys from your Start menu. PowerToys includes many useful utilities for Windows users, and one of them is Image Resizer. After opening PowerToys, look at the menu on the left side. Scroll down and click on Image Resizer. Make sure the Image Resizer feature is turned on. If it is disabled, simply toggle it on. You can also review the default resize presets, including small, medium, large, and phone sizes. These presets can be customized later if needed. Now, open File Explorer and navigate to the folder containing your images. You can select a single image or multiple images at the same time. To select multiple images, hold down the Control key while clicking individual files, or press Ctrl-A to select all images in the folder. This is one of the biggest advantages of Image Resizer. You can process many images simultaneously. Once your images are selected, right-click on them. In the context menu, click Resize with Image Resizer. A new window will appear showing several size options. Choose a preset size, such as small, medium, large, or phone. If you need specific dimensions, click Custom and enter your preferred width and height. You can also choose whether the resized images should replace the originals or create new copies. For most users, creating copies is the safest option because it preserves the original images. After selecting your preferred settings, click the Resize button. PowerToys will instantly generate resized versions of your selected images. After the resizing process is complete, return to the folder where your images are stored. You'll see the newly resized images alongside the originals. The file names usually include the selected size, so you can easily identify them. Open any resized image to confirm the new dimensions. If you regularly resize images for websites, social media, or email attachments, you can create your own presets. Open PowerToys and navigate back to the Image Resizer settings. Add a new preset and specify the dimensions you use most often. This can save time and make your workflow even more efficient. And that's how to resize images in Windows using Microsoft PowerToys Image Resizer. It's fast, free, and perfect for resizing one image or hundreds of images at once. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Windows tips and tech tutorials.